All right, guys, we got a fabulous Keokuk geode site find. Huge calcites, but this was hit by the jackhammer. We've got a split right there. So what I've done is I've shoved plastic in there with the end of a pencil eraser, giving my secret away. And what I'm gonna do now is try to pop this thing open a little bit better. Don't want to go hulking out on it, just for the fact that we got big calcites in there. Keep my blade really close out here to the edge. For those of you people that's going to complain about the noise, that's part of it, sorry. Trying to follow my crack. My crack's right there. Try to make my crack grow in the direction I want, which is that way. It's growing. All right. So right now we've got a crack kind of running down that way. I'll go back to this one, try to open it up a little bit more. I want to make sure and stay away from that calcite because she is an absolute beauty. My problem of it is this side don't really have a crack. So it's like, you know, what are we gonna work off of to make a match? And this is the problem. So when you got a baby geode like that, that makes strength right there. So I think I'm gonna try to beat down on that. Huh. Got a little brown and pink calcite both on that one. Okay, so I still want to try to break this one off. Oh, got it. Oh, man. Cleave some of the calcite, but overall, you know, it's looking really good. We'll work on chipping this up more, but nice big calcite spray. You wouldn't have been able to see that if we didn't open it up. Kind of show you the other half. So, not bad looking. Like I said, this is a fabulous Keokuk geode site find. Big calcite. Guys, thanks for looking and rock on.